From the office of the Prime Minister, this video caught my eyes.
I am so elated. I can't even find words to describe my feelings to know that I am about to be a recipient of a nice, constructed, well, decent apartment to call me own for the rest of my life. Vulnerable people like me, we are one little rasta man when me have disability and me blind. You consider the welfare of our life. One night, I was over the whole house, the rain start fall early in the night. Me lay down in the dark, me not nobody to talk to. And me start wonder what next. And no time after it was like a pipe broke and a pure water start coming in for me. And me have to fly off my bed. Me start to God, and when me to go get little help, me look so me can't see no way out. Thank God, me no have to think that way again. Brought to you by the Office of the
NSHP homes are built on properties belonging to their beneficiaries and therefore belong to their beneficiaries. When the government gives you a NSHP home, it belongs to you. All the PNP has to give to Jamaica is lying Mark Golding. Ain't nobody got time for that.